everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I am sharing these adorable little Christmas jars. Look how cute they are. I love these jars. I think that I made a regular jar. I can't remember. I think I made something similar like this, but I thought they would be perfect for Christmas. Look how cute these would be sitting as place settings, or just to give to your guests as they come in. I just put some chocolate in there and some of the candy canes, but look how sweet they are. And this paper that I'm using on it is that Under the Mistletoe. It's this one right here, and I've showed you this. I mean, this is what I've basically been using for all my projects. I love it. And so I just used two different patterns for these, but I think every pattern in this pack would look cute on these little jars. So I did make them double-sided because I thought they'd be super cute, you know, double-sided, but look how sweet they are. I love these jars. This is the Jar of Love is one of my all-time favorite stamp sets. So when I thought about this, I thought, how cute would it be to make Christmas ones? So this is what I'm sharing today. I hope you like it. Alright, so let's set it aside. What you're going to need for this is you're going to need one piece. This is Old Olive, and it is 6 inches by 3 inches. Now I made one real red and one Old Olive, so you can use whatever colors you like. You are going to need some of the Designer Series paper, and we're going to cut 2 of the jars from here, and then we're going to need another piece. We're going to cut 2 jars from this one. But this is going to be, the 6 by 3 is for our box. Then you're going to need a scrap of real red or garden green. I'm going to stamp both of these for the lids, and I'm not sure which one that I want to use on this one. I think I'm going for the real red this time. And then just a piece of Whisper White, and I think this is 1/2, and I'm just going to cut it after I stamp it. And then also what I did is I used that Blended Seasons bundle that's coming out August 1st. If you've seen my card video the other day, I used the same bundle, but it is this bundle right here that I made the gift bag with. And I just stamped that holly, and it's right here, and I'm going to I colored it already, and I'm going to fussy cut it. You've seen me color it a couple times, I think, already, so there's no need to show you that, but you can use all of these, but I'm going to just cut one of these out for the holly that's on this. And so I think that's it. You're going to need some linen thread and some real red ink and the little red rhinestone jewels for the holly. Alright, so first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to stamp these both. I'm going to do one in real red and one in Old Olive. And I'm stamping only the lid. And so it is from the Jar of Love stamp set right here. And then the framelits are the coordinating framelits, which are the Everyday Jar framelits. And I'm using the large jar. And then the greeting is from the Itty Bitty Greetings. This time I'm going to use the 'Tis the Season because I just love that for this. And so let's go ahead and stamp these. And you're going to need 2. Oops. So I can't decide. I think I'm going to go with the real red this time and skip that Old Olive, just to give you a little bit of a different look at it. So this is the 6 by 3. We're going to score that, but let's go ahead and first get the Big Shot up here and run all this stuff through the Big Shot and get it all ready to go. So I am going to use, let's go ahead and just, let's see if we can cut out a couple, or one of the jars and then one of the lids at the same time. So I'm just going to line that up, and the lid. I'm going to put that on here. Let's do that one first. Okay, so we're going to run that through. And then we'll do the other one. So we have one lid, and then we'll do this one. And we'll run one more of the jar through. Oops, my lid moved. Okay, so there's the other jar and then the other lid. And now we need to run through two more of the jar using the Designer Series paper. And I'm using this one this time, this little plaid. I love this plaid. This is a different plaid than I used on one of my other treat boxes that I shared. There's a couple different, like 3 I think or 4 different plaids in this Designer Series paper. I love it. These are new plates, so they're wanting to stick on me. But I love the new plates. So we're going to do this one too. And then I think that is it. Okay. Now I'm going to use Tombow for this because it gives me a little bit of working time. So what I want to do is glue these to this. It just makes this sturdier. So I'm using the cardstock behind the Designer Series paper. So we're just going to line these up. So when you're using wet glue, it makes it super easy to line it up just right. And then we're going to do this one. And line this one up. And we have both of our jars ready to go. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on. And I'm going to go ahead and use the Tombow also on this one. Put it on this one also. So you're making 2 of the identical same. Alright, so we have our jars right there ready to go. Aren't they so cute? Alright, so let's get the scoring tool up here and we're going to score this really simple scoring here. So we're going to score this on the 3-inch side. Score it at 1, and then on the 6-inch side we're going to score it at 1.5, 2.5, 4, and 5. And that's it. Alright, so we are going to, where are my scissors? We are going to cut off this one square down here. So we don't need that. And then we're going to cut up each one of these. And then we're ready to put it together. That's it. Okay, I'm going to sharpen these really quickly. I'm going to add adhesive to this part right here. We're going to fold that. And then fold your other ones in, and then your bottom. Just like that. So now we're ready to attach this here. So I just put it on the jar itself. And then you're going to attach one side. And I usually, what I did was I held it here so this sits firm. So it won't rock, it'll just sit like that. And then we're going to just do the other one. Once you get all these pieces cut out, they go really, really, really quickly. So that, look at, that's our little box right there. So I'm going to get some of my linen thread, and I'm doubling this. I like to run my bone folder because I don't like the little crinkles. So I'm doubling this to make a double bow. And I probably cut way too much, but oh no, I need to wrap it around here first. But I still probably cut too much. So whichever side you want to be your front, which I usually just look under here and see which side is folded back. And then just make your bow the size you want. We're going to clip off the ends here. And then I'm going to stamp the sentiment using real red. Got that one a little crooked. You can see I've already done it before with the other one. There we go. I'm going to just banner the end. And I'm going to just grab that piece that I colored in real quick here, and I'm going to cut out the leaves. I'll speed it up for this so you don't have to watch. Okay, so I cut out that little berries right there, the holly, and we're going to attach this. We're going to use a dimensional. I'm going to use a mini one for this one. I'm actually going to adhere this to the holly here. Make sure my "'Tis the Season" shows. I think I'm going to move it back a hair. And then I'm going to use a mini dimensional to put it on the box. I'm going to just set it right here. You might have to adjust your little bow a little bit. You need to move it up. Okay, just like that. I'm going to put the bow over the top. And then I'm going to just grab some of those little red rhinestones. These are going to be so great for the holidays, especially for this holly. I even used it on my box, and we're going to put them one on each one of these little on my card. I added some Winkostella. You can even add some Winkostella to your holly, and you can dress it up a little bit with the Winkostella. By the way, let's just go ahead and do it because I have it sitting right here. I love these little boxes. And then just add your favorite candies and some candy canes. Look how cute. I hope you liked it, everyone. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop from my blog. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the little bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Have a blessed day, everyone, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.